Hello everybody, hello. It's me again, your sister, your friend, Lady J. And if you have not subscribed for my YouTube channel, make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell so that if I put more video, you will be the first person to know. And if you have subscribed yet before, thank you and God bless you. My people, this one I about Ken Eric. Ken Eric, your matter don't reach my table today. Ken Eric. I hear say they say you with your woman una no dey again. Your wife wey you just married that day. When everybody just dey happy for you, say Ken Eric don marry o, this that o, you know. Say nah, you with the woman una no dey again. Na your wife can't even cry out now. Where everybody come see am now. Say make they find you. Say you come up for us for how many months now. Say you know dey. So where you can't go now, Ken Eric? Will they look for you? Everybody they look for you. Me you go meet your wife. And I hear say because you don't know, the woman not tell you say you get pikin before una marry. Then make you come leave am. Ken Eric. And we can see here again say you be man, woman. As in, you dey like to do man. I understand now. Now say, Ken Eric, the cute boy. How your past woman go to do that kind of one now? And we can see here again. Say you know they sleep with your woman for since one at marry. Now say, this one, the matter not be small one. No. Say you know they like as that thing as is sweet rich, you know they do am to your woman. Now man, now say God forbid bad thing. Now your wife can't cry out now. Say since one at marry, now say no, that one go dey hard for somebody to believe this is one at marry. And she not gonna even cry out ever since now she can't dey cry out. Because the thing don't really over am now. And then we can see here like that say girl where you fair date before. The same thing. Now that one still talk say you know they touch am. Now be say na truth say you they really dey like they do man pass woman. I don't understand though. I been at deliverance with this one Ken Eric. We don't know whether this one at deliverance o. Because ever since now your wife say you know they stay house again. And you even know before now marry, say she now that time she take confess to you. Then you forgive her. If you forgive her, deal with her. Then when you can't say when you know say you not go forgive him, you punish him like that. You for not marry him now. Since you can't know, then the dying minute you can't say no. You for not marry him again, you can't say put her for bondage. I don't understand the way some men they behave. After you don't already know something, you don't know say see what your woman do before, and you know say you not going to forgive her. You for not marry her again. Because this one what you can't do now, they're not gonna where you dey now. You just come out ever since, just leave the woman for bondage like that. It's not good. The woman not feel better again. Now she cry out. She cry out for people to help her. Ken Eric, go back to your wife. I beg. Marriage now for better, for worst. Go back to your wife. Your wife needs you. That makes she cry out. Maybe people help her. She needs you. Go and meet your wife. You don't feel leave that woman just like that, Ken Eric. Now you now would they talk to so. Go and meet your wife. That marriage where you do that day, the thing is sweet. Everybody happy. You know if you just leave that woman like that now. When you don't say you never dey ready. Since you like the male side, if you not go the women side now, I be my people. If you not go, when you come to go marry the woman finish now, you can't leave her like that. Now name don't full social media everywhere. It's not good now. Ken Eric, go and meet your wife. Marriage is for better, for worst. Go and meet your wife, Ken Eric. Please. I beg, we can't even beg you now. Go and meet your wife. Your wife needs you. because she get pikin before, pikin na everybody own. You know, because of that one, say you wan leave am. Pikin na everybody own. Go and meet your wife, Ken Eric. Now you, now we dey talk to so. Your matter don full social media. E don full YouTube. If you open YouTube, na Ken Eric. If you open Facebook, na Ken Eric. If you open here, na Ken Eric. Ken Eric, go and meet your wife. Your wife needs you. You hear? Your wife needs you, Ken Eric. Go and meet your wife. I don't understand the way some men, the way they say they behave. When you know, say your woman get pikin before, you for not marry am that time, you for leave am. Eh? How you go marry a woman since when I take marry? Say you know they touch the woman. When I know they jogo do, I know they do anything. The thing they surprise me, oh. My people. This one they surprise you now. You where they watch me so. This thing not they surprise you. It surprise me, oh. Since it's when they take marry. Nothing like that is. I can't ask again. Does it mean say they don't date before they marry? I say when they date, you can never tell the woman say, make the woman fair wait first until when they go marry before they go jogodo. That means say they don't do when they date because say make the fair marry first. The marry finish now. They say can never they touch this woman. You know they sleep with this woman. You know they even want to touch her. Nothing. You go they postpone now. They postpone now. No, you're saying they enjoy the men's side past the women's side. Ken Eric, this one a deliverance. So, in fact, I don't know say one pastor. If not truth, say now what you read they do, now be that one. One pastor don't go fit deliver you. This one, you go reach about 3 pastor or 4 pastor will go deliver you. Because this one a bad spirit now enter you so. Really, this one a bad spirit, eh? If that's what they really do, this one a bad spirit now enter you so. You need deliverance. How you go leave that beautiful woman for suffer like that? Eh? Ken Eric. Then make my people. If any man want to una say, make una fair wait first. Before if you don't marry, before we will do. Not agree, oh. Mona not agree. Because una no know their plan. I know say pastors they always they talk am. Say make una fair wait. Or before una go marry. My dear, mona no wait. I not say a Christian, I not say no man as so supposed to be, but waiting on the apple for this day, for this time now, eh? Waiting on the apple now. My people, mona no wait oh. Make una mona tell the man say no, more fair do first before we go marry. Because this one now, you deceive the woman finish now, you not go sleep with the woman again. So make una mona not agree. Mona not agree again, no, my people. This one are deceived now. He deceived the woman finish. You know the jogo do the woman again. You know they touch the woman again. They avoid the woman. So my people, make una not agree all those things again at all. Even when pastor go tell una say, make una dey stay first, make una not agree oh. Say make una never marry and make una never do before una marry. Make una no agree because see the way Ken Eric now can't put that girl for bondage now. And ladies, if you get pikin before, pikin na everybody own. Make una not dey hide am again. If you get pikin, tell your man say I get pikin before. Not be say you can't hide am later you can't know you not good. More na not dey hide am again. If you get pikin, tell your man, say you get, maybe that anger, and I see they Ken Eric mind. You understand? So next time, when they tell una man, say, una get pikin, oh, problem no go dey. Eh? How una go dey hide pikin? I don't understand. How you get pikin, you lie to man, say you no get. Wetin dey? If he love you, you go accept that pikin as your own. Don't say you can't hide them, you can't find out later. It's not good. Or because you want marry star star, so that maybe say you not go leave you. Maybe that make you lie to Ken Eric. At least if you not lie, because now, in now they angry because of that thing. You understand? And you can Eric, if you not stay married the girl where you know say he get where you find that before now do marriage, you find that. Then if you not marry him again, now when you got to put her for that bondage. So go and settle your home, eh? Can Eric, marriage now for better for worst. So go back to your wife, please. That one what they say you they do. I don't want to believe at all because I don't want to hear that for my ear. Say now you they do. So go back to your wife, please. So now this short message now will get for you, Ken Eric. Because if you look social media now your name for everywhere now. So go and settle with your wife. So thank you everybody and take care. Until I come your way next time, I remain Lady J. Bye.